na ba ang fitness sa mga nais nyong makamit ngayon 2025? May tips ang isang trainer sa report na ito.
It seems like January 1st is always a time to reset everything and to start all over or to start new things and to set new goals.
Halos 2 dekada ng fitness trainer ang gym owner na si Jay Raimundo mula Airdrie, Alberta. Aniya, tuwing bagong taon, maraming kababayan ang bumubuo ng fitness goals.
Health and fitness is usually one of the top goals or resolutions that they have. So the gyms are busy, classes are busy, personal training is busy.
Para sa mga nagsisimula pa lamang, importante raw isulat o ihayag ang inyong fitness goal para maaring gumawa ng plano kung paano ito makakamit.
You determine what it is, what you truly want to for your health goal. Is it to lose weight? Is it to eat better? Is it to build muscle? Everyone has different goals, and to kind of start from there and to set realistic expectations where, you know what, I can, because of work, because of kids, I can only work out maybe 30 minutes a day, and maybe you only do 3 days a week instead of trying to do 7 days of intense workouts.
Maaari rin daw makatulong ang pagkakaroon ng isang workout buddy o kaibigan na maaring sumama sa inyong pag-eehersisyo.
It's going to hold you accountable. So if you know you're meeting your workout buddy at the gym tomorrow at whatever 7:30 a.m., you're going to be there. And at the same time, it reduces a lot of intimidation. Exercise and physical fitness can be intimidating to a lot of people, but having a workout buddy there to relieve some of that intimidation, someone that has the same goals as you, that's someone that has the same schedule as you, you are more likely to stay consistent.
Para naman sa mga hindi masyadong gusto ang pagpunta sa gym, meron naman daw iba't ibang mga paraan para maabot ang inyong fitness goals.
There's amazing group fitness classes that you could join. You could do yoga, you could do a spin class. Mix it up. If you enjoy swimming, do swimming. If you enjoy dancing, do Zumba.
Ang pinaka-importante raw sa pagkakaroon ng fitness resolution ngayon 2025, magpakatotoo sa sarili para hindi ma-burnout, maging consistent din daw sa ehersisyo para maging lifestyle habit na ito.
You could use fitness apps, whatever it is. You can use photos, before and after photos. But the tracking is going to help keep you motivated at the same time so that you can see your progress. And it could be small progress, but at least you're making progress. But it will also allow you to be like, you know what, this might not be working. Let me adjust it. So it will alert you to make those necessary changes.
At yan ang mga balita ngayon araw. Itong Omni News Filipino. Maraming salamat po.